30s. So this morning it was kind of warm.
Yeah.
I mean, 20, 25 degrees warmer than yesterday
I was
morning.
out there.
Yeah, you felt it.
Yeah.
Didn't necessarily need the heavy coats today. You'll need a jacket tomorrow. Temperatures are going to drop, and it's because of a cold front moving in today, but it warms up really quickly. 70s this weekend. Can't wait for that. But right now it's 60 degrees as we look from our Dallas Love Field camera. Also looking at DFW Airport cam, temperature of 59 degrees. Wind is out of the north. That north wind signaling the arrival of a cold front. You can see the camera shaking there just a tad. It's a little breezy out there. Right now it's 59 with no wind chill. Wind is out of the north. That's what's helping bring in the drier, cooler air into the region. That's roughly where the front is right now. It's draped right around Dallas, Rockwall, Hunt County towards the northeast. Any rain is likely staying to the south of this front. So here's where the front is when I zoom in. We did have a little shower try to get going in southern Collin County. It really did not last all that long, and that really popped up about an hour ago. I'm not seeing anything on radar right now across the Metroplex. I'm actually seeing some drying out. So you see some of that cloud cover clearing in areas of Denton and Wise County. Eventually, the rest of the area will see that drying out. Temperatures overall are staying a bit on the mild side, especially considering it's still February. We're still at about 60 degrees in Dallas and in McKinney, 57 in Denton, 56 in Fort Worth. So temperatures are slowly dropping behind this front. I'm not expecting a drastic temperature drop this afternoon, however. It will feel noticeably cooler than yesterday. Yesterday, we made it to 70 degrees. Today, we stay in the mid 60s. Here's how the front acts, though. In the next hour or so, we'll see it pushing to the southeast. We'll continue to see it push southeast. We could even see a ramp up in some thunderstorm activity in southeastern portions of the area. I'm not really expecting much in the way of high coverage. In fact, we'll continue to dry out. If you didn't see the rain in the Metroplex at this point, you're not going to see it for the remainder of the day. We'll see that sunshine peeking through for the afternoon. That's really what's going to allow temperature to climb a little bit. By this point, only about 4 or 5 degrees. We make it to about 64 degrees around 4 in the afternoon. We'll see that sunshine, north wind at 10 to 20. We'll see temperatures drop a bit quicker tonight because of that cooler air filtering in. Today, the high makes it to 63 in Denton and in Fort Worth, 64 in Dallas, 63 in McKinney. Normal this time of the year is 59. Even with that front, we're still trending warmer than normal, kind of really what a majority of the trend for this winter has been. Now tonight, that's when you'll notice the difference. Tonight is when the temperature drops into the 30s with 37 in Dallas, 36 in Fort Worth, Denton, and in McKinney. Around the Red River counties, that's where we could get closer to freezing, but I'm thinking everyone in North Texas stays above freezing tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see a lot of sunshine, but it'll still be cooler than today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, a high of 57. That's 2 degrees colder than what's considered normal for this time of the year. That changes very quickly. Southerly wind returns. We jump back into the 60s on Thursday. Look at Friday. Friday, a high of 71 degrees. That's 12 degrees warmer than normal. Over the weekend, we're looking at highs in the mid 70s, 15 degrees warmer than normal with sunshine. We'll see a temperature drop, not by much, but we'll see a temperature drop on Monday, maybe even our next round of rain. We're looking at temperatures then in the low 70s, really a majority of next week, staying into the mid 60s as we approach Valentine's Day. We'll be back.